Good morning, team. Today, we're going to be setting up a Clover Kiosk from start to finish. See you soon. Now that the kiosk has been taken out of the box and powered on, we can continue with the setup. First, we're going to choose a language, and then press Next. Now, we need to connect to the internet. We can do this via Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or the SIM card. Today I'm going to be choosing Wi-Fi. Once the kiosk has been connected, the system will then check for and download any relevant updates. Once this is completed, you will need to enter in your activation code. This code will be sent via email to you from Clover. Once the activation code has been entered, the system will check for any updated applications and install them. After the applications have been completely installed, it's time for us to insert our receipt paper. To install the receipt paper, all you need to do is follow the instructions on the screen of the kiosk. Once the receipt paper has been installed, you can press Next, and the system will then begin its final checks. After the final checks, you will be brought to the kiosk homepage. From here, you can press on the Clover Kiosk app. This will bring you to a kiosk setup page. You will be able to customize your kiosk settings. Everything from your kiosk's name to how orders are going to be handled, how payments are accepted, tips are set up, as well as your items. Now that we've got everything set up, let's take a look at our menu and place an order. Item modifiers can be added to your items as well, and they will show up on the screen. After the customer presses the checkout button, they will be prompted to add their name, press continue, and complete their payment below. From here, it's as simple as taking a transaction. Customers do also have the option to have their receipt texted, emailed, or printed. Once the transaction has been completed, if we turn back to the main screen, you will see an order number has appeared. Until next time, my name is Anthony, and I hope you have a wonderful day.